Hello Windows Universe. In this video we will look at what you can do if your screen resolution changes on its own. There will be an article linked in the description down below for more information. Let's run the hardware and device diagnostic. Open a run box, type in msdt.exe space hyphen id space device diagnostic, all one word, and hit enter. A dialog box will open. Follow the online prompts. The troubleshooter will diagnose and, if possible, fix the problem. Once it's finished, restart and see if the problem is resolved. Let's check to see if the drivers are up to date. Right-click on the Start menu to go to the Device Manager. Look at your drivers, especially any graphics cards. If the problem happened after a driver update, you might want to consider rolling back the update. If possible, you might even want to uninstall the driver and reinstall it. We can also look at the screensaver. Disable it and see if that helps. Type screensaver into the search and set the screensaver to none. Click apply, click OK. Restart your computer and see if that helps. Check the system configuration. Open a run box, type in msconfig, click OK. Go to boot and then make sure that base video is unchecked. If it is checked, uncheck it. Click apply, click OK. Restart your computer and see if the issue is now resolved. Try changing the power settings to allow for sleep mode when sharing media. Open a command prompt. As an admin, type in power cfg space hyphen h and on, and hit enter. For more helpful articles aimed at making your digital world a little bit easier, go to our website, thewindowsclub.com. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel where we are always adding new content aimed at making you the master of your digital universe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.